Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet network ribbon stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the single crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the network ribbon stitch. This is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 6 plus 4. The stitch is going to be made up of one row that you will repeat for however long you want your project. I will show you how to make that one row on the row that I am currently working. I have already made one chain on my hook. Into the first stitch, you're going to make one single crochet. If you're working into chains, you would make this single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Make one single crochet into the next 2 stitches or the next 2 chains. So far, that's 3 single crochet. Chain 3. Skip 3 stitches or chains. Or if you're working over a previous network ribbon row, you're going to skip this open space right here. Work one single crochet into the next 3 stitches or chains. Chain 3. Skip 3 stitches or 3 chains or this open space right here from a previous network ribbon row. Work one single crochet into the next 3 stitches or 3 chains. Make 3 chains. Skip 3 chains or 3 stitches or this open space from a previous chain 3. Work one single crochet into the next 3 stitches or 3 chains. Make 3 chains, skip 3 chains or 3 stitches or this open space made from 3 chains. Work one single crochet into the last 3 stitches or chains of your row. That's how that row is looking. So like I said earlier, you would just repeat this row for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the crochet network ribbon stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.